Good morning, students. I am Mr. Vidur Vivegunge, working as Assistant Professor in Mechanical Department, Degree. And today we are here to have insights in the practical for metallurgy. And today we are going to conduct the practical on Brinell hardness tester, where we are going to find the hardness of a material. We are going to have the standard specimen, for which we are going to find the Brinell hardness number. So in this practical, we are going to have the indenter of ball type. Then specimen we are going to use is the standard specimen of MS, and for this standard specimen the already hardness or BHR number, Brinell hardness number, is 239. Okay, so here the capital D stands for diameter of indenter, the indenter which we are going to use to impinge or to penetrate in the specimen is the ball indenter, and the diameter for this will be 5 mm. Then the load which we are applying will be 250 mm. Then the small d, that is the diameter of indentation. The diameter of indentation we have to find out after the indentation is done by the ball. Now we will go to the setup and perform the experiment for the Brinell hardness tester. Students, this is the setup for the Brinell hardness tester. Here we are going to find the hardness of the specimen. So we are going to have a standard specimen. You can see this. This is a standard specimen, and here so for this we will be going to use a ball indenter of 5 mm, and as the specimen is flat, so we are going to use the flat anvil, and we have to place this flat anvil on the surface. If the specimen is circular, then we have to use this V-type anvil. We have fitted the indenter, ball indenter over here with the help of Allen key, and now we will place the specimen on this anvil where the indentation mark is not there. We have to place that point under the indenter. So I am just keeping this, touching this, and after touching we have to apply a minor load over here. The minor load of 10 kg must be applied. So as soon as I press, or this ball indenter press on the specimen, the dial, sorter dial, goes to a red point. At that point we understand that 10 kg of minor load is applied on this specimen. As soon as minor load is applied, we have to go to check whether the major load selector is set on 250 kgf. So here we have confirmed that the load is already 250 kg, and the lever is in unload position. Now we will slowly load this so that the weight from the ball indenter will be applied on the specimen, and we have to apply the load. Still this dial gauge becomes stable. Once this dial gauge becomes stable, we have to, now we can see the dial gauge has become stable, and now we are unloading this. Once unloaded, we have to take it down, and you can see a indentation mark of the ball. The steel ball is over here, and we have to measure this indentation using the micrometer. Diameter we have to measure, and this diameter will be our small d, that is diameter of indentation. Okay, so using the micrometer we will check this diameter and use the formula and we will find out the Brinell hardness number. Now, to find out the Brinell hardness number, we have the formula, that is 2p upon pi capital D into bracket capital D minus under root capital D square minus small d square, where we know capital D is the diameter of indenter, small d is the diameter of indentation, and p is the load which we have applied, and from the given values we have d, that is diameter of indenter, which we use is of 5 mm. Then the load we applied is 250 kg, and the small d or diameter of indentation which we have measured using the micrometer is 1.15 mm. And now if all three values we put in this equation, we get the answer, that is 238 BHN, that is Brinell hardness number, very close to what we have in the standard value. So this is the procedure for testing or measuring the hardness of a specimen using Brinell hardness tester. Thank you.